You're listening to WSNC 90.5 FM, empowering you with me, Alvin Atkinson. And today we're talking with guests from Forsyth County. And next up is someone who's been here before, talking about something that's very important and letting us know that June is not just Black Music Month. It is also Men's Health Month. Let's welcome Mr. Stanley Howard, who's with Forsyth County Public Health. Good afternoon, Stanley.
Good afternoon.
Well, men's health, you are all about it, and I know things are going on in our community that addresses men's health. Share with us, what are we doing now to help men be more aware and concerned with their health?
Well, the Public Health Department, I go out and talk to men about their health. I go out throughout the county. We have a couple of programs that fall under the Men's Health Program. We have Men Hire Your Numbers. That's where I go out into the community, wherever I'm invited, whether it be a church, a rec center, homeless shelter, various centers around the county. And I give a 10-week session on various topics, chronic illnesses, heart health, overweight and obesity, diabetes, smoking cessation, nutrition, physical activity, just to name a few.
And you said this is for 10 weeks.
10 weeks.
You're going out and sharing this. Where are you going next, or what's the next activity that you're going to be sharing with our community?
Well, the next activity will be August 3rd. We just got through with Men's Health Week, the 10th through the 14th. And every day of that week, we had a event going on. And we ended up on the 14th on Friday with Free Screening Friday. And what that was, Dr. John Card came in and he talked about prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, testicular cancer, breast cancer in men, and lung cancer. He covered those topics and gave an educational session. And then immediately following his session, Novant Health gave free screenings.
Wow. You listed a whole lot of ills and diseases, and so these are all directed towards men. And you've been doing this for how long now?
Going into 3 years.
3 years.
Mm-hmm.
And you probably are feeling that there's still more to be shared with our community, because I don't know that men really take their health as serious as they should. Tell us, what would you say are some of the reasons that we as men tend to neglect our health?
Well, one is fear, the fear of not wanting to know. They don't want to know if something's wrong. Two, usually men, if they have a pain or something in their body, they'll take a pain reliever, Tylenol, something of that sort. And if the pain goes away, they'll say, okay, I'm all right.
Right.
Another reason would be the fear of creating a bill, because you have your co-pays and that sort of thing, and the fear of not having insurance. If you don't have any insurance, some places, but Forsyth has several mobile units around. You have a couple of clinics. You have United Health Centers. They have 3 locations. You have Community Care Center, and then you have Downtown Health Plaza. These are places you can go that some work on a sliding fee scale. Others work with you. So it's never a reason to say I can't get checked out. And just a few minutes ago, I threw out August 3rd and just kind of left it hanging.
Yes.
August 3rd, we'll be hosting our second annual community basketball game. That's where the first responders play each other, the police department, fire department, sheriff's department, probation and parole, a community team. And this year we've added 2 teams, Carver High School and Carter High School.
Okay.
And they'll have teacher teams playing.
Oh, no.
And the
yes.
The police department, they hold a trophy.
Okay.
They're the champs from last year. So everybody will be looking to take that trophy this year. And once again, it's all about men's health. We're promoting men getting out, getting exercise. No matter what it is, do something to benefit your body.
Right. And I think from what you said, you sort of given us options to deal with the fear of the bill. And I think the other thing that you have talked about, this fear of the unknown, but what you're trying to do is to make us aware of all the issues that are out there so that we can gain that knowledge. So for these 10 weeks sessions, do you rotate the location or do you have it at the same place, or how's that done?
Well, wherever I'm invited. Right now I go to Trosa, Arca. Tomorrow afternoon I'll be at Samaritan Ministries. I also just finished up with Daymart. So wherever I'm invited, I go. Yeah.
Okay, that's key. So now, how can our listeners, our men listeners, or even the ladies who care about men, how can they contact you and get you an invitation to come and share your knowledge?
Okay, they can reach me. My phone number is 336-703-3366. That's my desk phone. You can reach me on my cell phone at 743-900-2211, or you can email me at Howard, HOWARD, SW, @foresight.cc. Also, I want another program under the Men's Health Program is Men Talk 2. This is where I invite community men to come out, and we just have like a rap session.
Okay.
We were doing it the first Tuesday of every month from 6 to 7 p.m. at Central Library, but the men enjoy it so much that they asked me, could we do it twice a month? Okay. So we do it twice a month now. Upcoming dates are July 2nd, 2024, July 16th, August 6th, August 20th, and September 3rd thus far. We may be at the health department, so the location is to be announced.
Okay, so then the men who have come out have enjoyed it, so now we're having another date that they will be able to come and share. And where can they find the latest information regarding Men Talk 2 or any information about men's health?
They can go on the Forsyth County website. It's always up there. They can go to Central Library. There are flyers and things there. I'm always leaving flyers wherever I go. So we try to get it out as much as possible.
Great. Well, are there any other pieces of information and nuggets you want to share with us today?
Just emphasizing that men, take care of your bodies. You may be a grandfather, you may be a father, brother, uncle, whatever the case may be, take care of yourself. If you feel something's wrong, go see your doctor. If you're already seeing your doctor, keep your appointments. Make sure that if you have a scheduled appointment, keep it. Always do what the doctor says until the desired result is met. And if you have questions, ask questions. If you don't understand something, or maybe the doctor might say something and you don't quite catch it, it's not a problem to stop he or she and ask them, okay, doc, what exactly did you mean? If you want to know about a certain medication they put you on, ask questions. Don't wait till you leave, because once you call back, that could be another appointment and another copay. So ask questions. I would admonish you to ask questions if you don't understand or if you don't feel comfortable with the information you've just been given. I know now doctor visits are kind of short, but within that time, you should be able to ask a question or two.
Great advice, and I want to thank you for coming back and sharing information about men taking care of their bodies.
Thank you for having me.
After a short break, we'll be back with more guests from Forsyth County with information to empower us to become our best self. That's next